Well, looks like rain again. Yeah, right. It's like a freaking monsoon season. It's like dry and wet here like that. At least it's not Southeast Asia. Monsoon season like that. I'd rather summer, which means the good weather like that. Oh, just saw lightning. Just saw it. Ugh. Thing was flaming. Yep, just saw lightning. Just saw it. Did y'all see that lightning? Comment down below. Oh crap. Well, yep, southeast, man. The southeast was still being weather, no doubt. Yeah, another storm. Yeah, I know a fellow YouTuber lives in Tennessee. Yeah, he live streams storms. Seriously, I gotta upload this to. I gotta upload this to weather.com because hell, freaking hell, man. Yeah. Getting cold. Well, thanks for watching. Hit that sub button for more vlogs. Like and comment down below. Hashtag I am a creator. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Peace, my dudes.